What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get Last Common Cat in Battle Cats. So, you might be wondering how to exactly get the Last Common Cat here. So first discuss what's the actual Last Common Cat here. So the Last Common Cat in Battle Cats is the Super Feline, which was introduced in the version 11.1. So unlike the other normal cats here, it has a unique design. So basically a floating cat with muscular arms and legs, plus a long tail here that it uses to attack. Now, in battle, Super Feline specializes in dealing massive damage to relic enemies and comes with abilities like Omni Strike, Curse Immunity, and Colossus Slayer. It's great against low range threats and can even stop enemies like a Flores from cursing your backline. However, its low health and high cost make it a bit situational, especially in mixed stages. But how do you exactly get this common cat here? Now, if you're looking to unlock the Super Feline, what you need to do is you must complete the Cats of the Cosmos Chapter 3. Now, this is a requirement. Now, once you've done that, you unlock the access to Cat Capsule Plus, which is the only way to get Super Feline. Now, unlike other normal cats, Super Feline doesn't just appear in the standard capsule pills. Instead, you have to keep drawing from the Cat Capsule Plus until you finally unlock it. Now, it might take a few tries here, but that's the whole process. Now, once you've got it, you can upgrade it to at least like level 20 plus 9 at first. After reaching user rank up 10 and 100, you can further push this to level 20 plus 30, making it even stronger. So, in summary, just need to beat the Cats of the Cosmos Chapter 3 and then unlock Cat Capsule Plus. And keep drawing until you get the Super Feline here, and that's there, and that's it. So yeah, so if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.